Chained. Draw 4 community cards, one at a time. After each draw, decide to keep it or kill another card on the board that matches the community color. If card is kept, place in Loyalist. If card is used to kill, place it in the neutral area. So Chained is a really nice card. It's easy to play and can be played most times. And so one at a time, we're going to draw 4 cards. The first card we draw is an 11, and this is an obvious keep card. The second card we draw is a 2. Well, this card allows us to attack that 12, so we're going to actually place that and kill that. So that's a nice 12-point kill there. Then we're going to draw another card, and this time we get a 10, and again, this is a nice keep card, so we're going to keep that. And finally, we're going to draw a -2, and again, it's perfect layout here because I can then kill his 8. So really, that was a heck of a legendary play.
Thanks for watching the video. For more news and updates from the Master of Wheels team, just subscribe to us below.